Saturday, everyone. It is Saturday morning. We're getting ready. It's the day after St. Patrick's Day, so I'm sporting a Jameson shirt that I slept in. I am in such a good mood this morning. Sunshiny day. I don't want to waste a second, so, well, I've wasted a couple hours. It's like 11, but I don't consider that wasted because I was laying in bed and reading and drinking coffee and relaxing and enjoying a slow Saturday morning. But now I'm getting ready to go into Manhattan. I don't have solid plans. I'm kind of just like feeling like bopping around. I think I want to stop at Ulta and then I'm going to head to Chelsea and meet up with my friend. And I've been wanting to go to these galleries in Chelsea for so long. We tried to go once on a Sunday and I didn't realize they were all closed on a Sunday. So today on Saturday they should be open, and there's just so many cool exhibits and artists on display in galleries in Chelsea that are usually free that I've seen on social media that I want to check out. So I think we're gonna go do that, bop around, and then I have dinner plans this evening. Last night I went out with some friends to an Irish bar in Williamsburg. That was so fun, but so crowded. Irish bars should be crowded on St. Patrick's Day. Don't get me wrong. We ended up going to a diner and getting like pancakes and fries and sharing a bunch of like diner snacks, and it was really fun. In the spirit of St. Patrick's Day, and also trying to maintain my healthy habits when I'm going out and having fun on the weekends, is I'm starting my morning taking my Bloom Greens powder. This flavor is coconut and it's so freaking good. Bloom is like the ultimate daily gut health supplement. You guys know I've talked about it before. And it has just like plenty of veggies, fruits, probiotics, antioxidants. Plus it just makes me feel really good, helps with digestion and bloating. Throw a scoop in water, take their little whisker thing, mix it up. This thing's got a kick. Wow. Cheers. Now I'm ready. I'm just wearing a very basic me outfit, which is a black mock neck jeans in this little coat, which is a Nuuly rental. I really like this pattern and these colors are always a go-to for me. So let's throw on some body spray. This is not a good place for the camera. Body spray. I need to get more of this too. I don't know, I'm debating if I even really need to go to Ulta before. I am just excited to kind of walk around and maybe get a coffee, enjoy the nice weather, and catch up with my friend that I haven't seen in a bit. So let's go. Also, my hair has been particularly bothering me, you guys. I think I said I canceled my appointment that I had at the end of January because I was just like, you know what? I don't need to be spending a ton of money on dyeing my hair lighter. I really like having my natural hair more in it, and like I want it to be a little more darker, recession brunette, you know? But I don't think I'm gonna go brunette. I just don't know what I want to do with it. But now what's bothering me, like I do want to bring the color up a little bit. I want to keep it more rooty and just generally darker. But I do want to like have a little more color by my face. But what's bothering me is not having it trimmed now because it's really like the bangs are all the way down here and it's just the split ends and all of that. It's just catching up with me. So I'm still on the wait list for my appointment with my hairstylist in March. Now it's like the second half of March, so unsure. But I would like to get my hair done before. I'll text her again. Anyway, these are just thoughts that don't matter, but my hair is just in a weird spot right now is what I'm saying. I think I noticed it today, so I feel like the need to say something, but it's just not, I mean, it's still good, but yeah, whatever. I'm missing something. Oh, I didn't put on my lipstick yet. Okay, let's go. I'm wearing tennis shoes for lots of walking. And I think the brand of the coat is Ichi. I-C-H-I. I'm in Chelsea now. I'm walking up to one of the galleries that I'm gonna check out first. I think my friend's just gonna meet me later, so I'm just gonna bop around, maybe bop on the High Line. Just enjoy the view today. Okay, now I'm in Williamsburg. I'm going to meet a couple other friends for dinner. It was so fun bopping around the galleries. There was so much cool art and so many free galleries in Chelsea. So definitely a good idea if you're in New York and want something free to do. And then we went, got a little drink, and now I'm going to dinner at 12 Chairs in Brooklyn, but I'm a little bit early. Oh, this is a cool spot. Designers Collab. So I think I'm gonna walk down to Domino Park and catch the tail end of the sunset before we go to 12 Chairs. Happy Sunday. I realized that I kind of stopped vlogging yesterday before I went to dinner, but whatever. All I did was go to dinner. We didn't end up going out or anything. Then we went to dinner at 12 Chairs and we just split like some small plates. And because we weren't drinking at dinner, it turned out, and honestly it seemed like we had a lot of food. Like we had leftovers, and it was like 25 bucks a person, which is so inexpensive for New York, especially. It was still early enough. I think it was like 9 something when I got home. Watched some Sex in the City, read some of my book, and went to sleep, and it was glorious. I did have a hard time getting to sleep last night. Like I think it was after midnight and I was just laying there for a really long time. And I think I just have a lot going through my head at this time. And just like a lot coming up with this week. Now I woke up on my own at like 7 something, so I didn't get a full 8 hours of sleep for sure, but I think it's because it's so sunny this morning. It was like streaming into my room and it woke me up, which I love, don't get me wrong. Like there's a reason I keep my blinds open. Blue skies, and I'm going to SoulCycle this morning with a friend, so we're gonna walk there together. I think start off my Sunday morning with some exercise, and then those are the only solid plans I have. The rest of the day I'll probably just come back, clean my apartment a bit. Oh, it's been an awesome weekend, honestly. I have a great balance of things. Being out and about, having some chill time, going out, staying in. My friend used to live in San Francisco and she used to go to this instructor there, and that was her favorite instructor. I think his name is Andrew, and he moved to New York, and so did she now. So I've never tried his class, but she says good things about him. So he's doing a Miley Cyrus versus Taylor Swift class. I think it's gonna be a full class, so it should be good energy, good vibes. I'm ready for SoulCycle now. It's actually quite cold out, I think, so I'm wearing the long coat, and I'm gonna go meet my friend and we're gonna walk together. It's like very bright in here. Do you see this? Washed out. I also am just realizing that I'm like kind of hungry all of a sudden. I was editing a video this morning, so I got caught up with that, and now I'm like rushing. Classic. I got up so early and had all this time, and then suddenly I'm still behind. But I didn't realize that I was hungry until like I'm getting dressed. So I think I might grab a rice cake, which sounds so like diet culture-y, but I've heard that things like, there was a trend where if you had a Rice Krispie treat like 30 minutes before a workout, it gave you a great boost of energy because of the combination of sugar and carbs, which I feel like I have these like chocolate covered rice cakes from Trader Joe's that I feel like we'll do the same thing. So I'm gonna grab one of those, head out the door, and then we'll get proper food after the class. But I'm excited for this class. Excited to just walk in the sun, and happy Sunday, folks. Streets are empty because there's some sort of marathon or run going on. Not marathon, but it's kind of nice, but freezing. Let's go. Fun. Yeah, let's try. I'm gonna try margarita.
I was just wondering if I was gonna get drunk.
No, these are just mixed with water.
Thank you.
It is so good. Once we were walking back, we definitely made a couple pit stops. So we went in Sephora. I'm out of hyaluronic acid, so I got another one from The Ordinary, the large size, and I got another Honey Halo moisturizer. It's just so freaking good, you guys, from Pharmacy. Saves my skin. She asked if I wanted to use any points, and I saw that one of the perks was a little magic cream from Charlotte Tilbury, and I've been wanting to try it out. So I got this for 100 points. We also stopped by Target because I was gonna go to Ulta yesterday and then I didn't. So I needed to get, well, I didn't think about this till I was there, but I needed foil for cooking, so I got that. I got a new waterproof mascara because I'm trying to be actually good about replacing mascara when it's like supposed to be going bad. And the Ultra Precise brow pencil from e.l.f. I love this one. I got the neutral brown, which is the lightest color they had, so hopefully it works. Another moisturizer, because you know me and moisturizer. e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream, a go-to, inexpensive, great one. I think that's it for makeup products. I also got some avocados. I actually have an order from Hungry Root coming, so I didn't get like full groceries this weekend, but I definitely need some avocados for breakfast. And I think the rest is just Olipop. Yeah, I got a cream soda Olipop, love these. Vintage cola, they were kind of wiped, honestly. Target has good prices on Olipop though. And then I haven't seen the strawberry lemon Poppy before, so I decided to try this. And that's my little Target haul. I'm gonna put these away and shower and eat something. I'm so hungry. But the SoulCycle class was so much fun. Great song choices. And he just like brought so much energy. It was almost like I could not keep up at certain points because it was like a lot of fast songs, but just so fun. People were just singing along. The song after Weights was The Climb. Everyone was just like screaming The Climb by Miley Cyrus, and it was just very wholesome. I'll definitely go back to him. He does Taylor Swift Sundays every weekend. And yeah, then we just walked back, enjoyed the sun, made a couple stops, and now I have the rest of the afternoon to finish my editing, shower, eat, and chill out. Maybe watch my Love Island episodes I need to catch up on, and get ready for the week ahead. So yeah, I'm feeling great. It's already like 1 something because we just dilly-dallied for a while, and then I went over to her apartment to see it for the first time because she just moved in last week. It was so cute, well decorated already, better than mine. I'm wearing a Taylor Swift sweater because, of course, and I just microwaved some rice. I'm gonna make a little spicy salmon bowl a la Emily Mariko, just because I still have salmon left over. I haven't made one of these bowls in a hot minute, so, oops. Have jasmine rice. And the salmon, I feel like everyone knows how to make this because it was viral on TikTok like over a year ago now. I'm just gonna break this up and then add the sauces, and I think I also have dried seaweed that I can have with it. It definitely looks like cat food, but it's yummy. Okay, we've got coconut aminos instead of soy sauce, and I really douse it. Sriracha, mayo. And then you mix it all up, have it in little bites with the seafood or the seaweed, and that's the dish.
That's the date.
Okay folks, I'm headed to bed. It is the end of the night on Sunday. Had such a good weekend, so thanks for spending it with me. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.